fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to unbox the kit that I'm going to be doing for our Diamond Paint Along in August. If you've been following the channel, you know that the Diamond Paint Along in August has the theme of flowers, and this is the kit that I'm going to be doing. So let me open the box and pull everything out, and then we'll talk about what I'm going to do. This is one of my Craftibly kits. So after this one, I'll only have 2 left. Let's see which one it is. So while the canvas relaxes, I've got instructions, which I don't need. We've got our drills. This is a round diamond painting kit, as you can see, so we'll look at those in a minute. We've got our stickers, which we'll also look at in a minute. And then we've got our toolkit, which always comes in this cute little bag. Well, used to anyway. So here's all the things that came in the kit. We've got a purple sparkly tray. We've got purple wax, a purple scrunchie, purple very pokey tweezers. We've got our diamond painting pin with 2 4-placers and a 7-placer, so all of those. We've got purple wax. We've got a heart cover minder, little mosaic heart cover minder, that's cute. And then we've got 2 kinds of washi tape. We've got this kind of heart one, and then we've got this, is that flowers? Some kind of pattern. So that's what comes in the toolkit. So what kit am I doing? I am doing blue swallowtail on pansies, and I know I'm going to have to cut these down. Craftibly stickers are always way bigger than I need, so I will end up cutting off the serial numbers, but it looks like we've got 59 colors. This kit has 9 ABs. That's kind of crazy. I can't believe 9 ABs. But it is this cute little floral painting with all these little pansies for flowers and then 2 butterflies on it. They only listed as 18 by 24 inches. I'll have to go grab my tape measure, which I forgot to bring out, and measure the size for you when we look at the canvas. So 59 colors, definitely ones I know that I can add ABs, other ABs into, or fairy dust. So I'm excited about that. Let me grab the canvas and we'll look at it. And here is the canvas. I will, as always, take B-roll so that you guys can kind of see the whole thing. Hopefully you can see the canvas a little bit better. I think I figured out the glare issue. Anyway, so we've got a schematic on both sides, 59 colors, like I said, and all those ABs. So that's a lot of ABs. This only said for size 18 by 24, so let's figure out what that is in centimeters. So this is 46.7 this way and 61.7 this way. I'm assuming that's pretty close. If I flip this over and do inches, it's actually 24.25 that way, and it's 18.5 almost that way. So actually a little bit bigger than they said. But I knew I wanted to do this one for the flower theme. One, it's a Craftibly, and it's just, I don't really ever buy floral ones. When flower ended up being the theme, I knew this was the one I wanted to do. Okay, so it's Craftibly. I'm not worried about symbols being not clear or glue not being sticky or any of that kind of stuff. So let's open the drills and look at those. Okay, so first we've got this very pale blue. Then we've got a brown and a dark blue. Then we've got a blue and a light blue. Then we've got a red, a very dark blue, and a lighter blue. Then we've got 2 shades of coral, a dark brick red, a mulberry color, kind of a dark brown, orangish brown, and an orange. Then we've got 2 bags of this kind of pinky peach. We've got another orange, a yellow, kind of a pale green, and another kind of mulberry color. Then we've got like a salmon pink, a very pale lavender. We've got like a sage green, a dark salmony peach, and a peach. Then we've got black, a dark brown, and a dark green. Then we've got a pale green, a yellow, and a red. We've got a purple, a light purple, and another red. Then we've got 3 shades of green. We've got this dark green, then 2 bags of this middle green, and then a light green, and then this kind of pumpkin-y orange and this kind of yellowish orange. And then we've got a pink, another kind of salmon color, another kind of baby pink. We've got a very like dark slate blue, two more colors of a dark blue. This one is slightly lighter than this one. We've got like a periwinkle blue, a peach. Then we've got two different browns, both dark browns. We've got kind of a dark turquoise, a dark red, and then we get to our ABs. So we've got a dark purple and a lighter purple and a yellow AB. And then we've got red, peach, a dark green and a lighter green, and then kind of a golden yellow. Actually, there's two bags of this yellow, and then we have a bag of white ABs. So let's look and see where all of our ABs go. Our white ABs are just highlights kind of all over everywhere, the butterfly and all the various flowers. The yellow ABs, again, highlights in a bunch of the flowers, kind of all over the canvas. The two green ABs are highlights on a bunch of the different leaves and everything. The light pink AB is in several of the flowers right next to the white, so that's going to be one of those gradations. Then the red AB is in some of the flowers at the bottom and some of the flowers up here, so some of the darker places where the pink and red flowers are. Then our true yellow, butter yellow AB is in various flowers all over the canvas as well. And then our two purple ABs, the lighter and the darker, also in a bunch of the different flowers, all the purple flowers. This one up here, right here, this one down at the bottom. 9 ABs. I think that's maybe the most I've ever gotten in one kit. Craftibly usually includes some crystals. This one doesn't have any crystals, just ABs, which I'm actually okay with. I much prefer working with ABs. The crystals are just really hard to make them fit sometimes. I find they're even bigger than ABs, so trying to get them to fit in with all the other drills can be a challenge. So there you go, guys. This is going to be Blue Swallowtail on pansies, and this will be the kit that I'm doing, at least the first one. If I finish this, I might do something else for the flower diamond paint along that we're going to be doing in August. So if you'd like to join us, please do so. You can join the Facebook group. There should be a link to it on the About page of my channel, so you can find the right one. There are several groups that have the same name. And we can all post our progress pics when we get ready. And if you already are ready, know what you're going to do, have it kitted up or whatever, and you want to post a start pic, feel free to do that as well. Again, no prizes, no rules. You can start something you've already been working on. You can start a brand new kit like I'm doing. Anything goes, really, as long as it fits the theme of flowers. So leave me a comment down below and let me know if you have ever gotten a kit that had more than 9 ABs. I've added more than 9 ABs, certainly, but to have the kit come with that many, yeah, I don't think that's happened for me before. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.